Good morning students. Welcome back to the session. In the previous video we discussed section formula. What is section formula? P of xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. And three special cases when the line is divided equally in the ratio 1:1, then the section formula that is also called as midpoint formula, which is x1 plus x2 upon 2 comma y1 plus y2 upon 2. Then next case is when a line is divided into three equal parts. When a line is divided into three equal parts, then the point, see here, AB divided into three equal parts. To find the coordinates of point P, the ratio will be 1:2, and to find the coordinates of point Q, the ratio will be 2:1. And when the line is divided into four equal parts, A, B line divided into four equal parts, then Q is the middle point of AB, so we can use only midpoint formula to find the coordinates of point Q. Similarly, using coordinates of point Q and A, we can find point P, and using coordinates of Q and B, we can find the coordinates of point R using only the midpoint formula. But when the line is trisected, we cannot apply midpoint formula. There we have to use ratio 1:2 and 2:1. Here when the line is divided into four equal parts, then you will get exact middle, that is midpoint of the line, that is Q here. So you can use 1:1 ratio, that is nothing but midpoint formula. So let us continue with a few more examples. That is, if the point 2, 1 lies on the line segment joining the points 4. See here, AB is a point. Its coordinates 4, 2 and 8, 4. Point P lies on the line segment AB. So then find AP by PB ratio. You have to find AP divided by PB. No, it is AB. So AP divided by AB you need to find. So at what ratio the line is divided? That is AP by AB. So here we can use distance formula. So distance AP you find. Why? Because you know all the coordinates here. Easily you can find out. So first find AP, then find AB, then take the ratio that gives the ratio AP by AB. So using distance formula, that is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now distance AB equals to root of 8 minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 2 whole square. So 8 minus 4 is 4. 4 square is 16. Then 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. So which is 20. So 2 root 5. Now find AP. So AP equals to root of, now this distance we need to calculate. So x2 minus x1, 2 minus 4 whole square plus 1 minus 2 whole square. So which is 2 minus 4 is minus 2 whole square, then 1 minus 3, that is 1, so 1 square. So which is 4 plus 1, which is 5, root 5. Now take the ratio, therefore AP by AB. So AP is root 5 and AB is 2 root 5. Root 5 cancelled, 1 by 2. Therefore AP is to PB equals to 1:2. Next example is P of 9a minus 2 comma minus b is a point which divides the line segment AB. So AB is the given line segment. So its coordinates are A is 3a plus 1, this is x coordinate, and y coordinate is minus 3, and coordinates of B 8a comma 5. So the point P divides this line segment. Point P divide the line segment in the ratio 3:1. The coordinates of point P is 9a minus 2 minus b. Now you have to find the values of a and b. How we can find the values of a and b? Here ratio is given and coordinates also given using section formula. So using section formula, P of xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula. Now the point P of xy is given as 9a minus 2 comma minus b. Now m1 is 3, m2 is 1. So 3 into x2 is 8a plus 1 into x1, that is 3a plus 1 divided by 3 plus 1. Then y2 is 5 plus m2 is 1 and y1 is minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. Now simplify. 8 3s are 24a, then 3a plus 1 divided by 4. Then here 3 5s are 15 minus 3 divided by 4, and P of xy is 9a minus 2 minus b. Now we need to find the values of a and b. So equate x coordinates together and then y coordinates. Okay, on equating x coordinates, we will get 9a minus 2 equals to. So 9a minus 2 equals to 24a plus 3a is 27a plus 1 by 4. Then cross multiply. 4 into 9a is 36a minus 4 2s are 8 equals to 27a plus 1. So 36a minus 27a equals to 1 plus 8. So 36 minus 27 is 9a equals to 9. So a equals to 9 divided by 9, which is 1. So a value is 1. Now similarly, if you equate y coordinates, that is minus b equals to 15 minus 3 is 12 by 4. So 4 1s are 4 3s are. So minus b equals to 3. So b equals to minus 3. Therefore values of a and b are a is 1 and b is minus 3. Only thing, we have to use section formula. That section formula you have to note down correctly. That is, when m1 comes, again here x1 will not come. So opposite coordinate is x2. Then if you write m2, then you have to write x1. Similarly here y coordinate also. When you write m1, then you have to coordinate of y2. Then if you are writing m2, then you write coordinate y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next example. Find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram ABCD. So ABCD is a parallelogram. You need to find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose three vertices are given as minus 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8, 3. So these are the three vertices given. You need to find the fourth vertex which you take as x and y. The fourth vertex is x, y. Now find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram whose three vertices are minus 2, 3, 6, 7 and 8, 3. How you will find the fourth vertex? Which property of this parallelogram can be used? That is, diagonal bisect each other. Which property? Diagonals bisect each other. Since diagonals bisect each other, then midpoint of the diagonal DB is equal to midpoint of diagonal AC. Midpoint of the diagonal AB is equal to this AC is equal to midpoint of the diagonal BD. How will calculate midpoint? The formula is x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. This is the formula to find the midpoint of the line segment. So same formula we can use here. So DB. So midpoint is x plus 6 by 2. Then y plus 7 by 2. Then AC. Midpoint of AC is equal to minus 2 plus 8 by 2 and 3 plus 3 by 2. Now equating x coordinates together and y coordinates together. So x plus 6 by 2 equals to minus 8 plus this minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 2. So x equals to 6 minus 6 which is 0. So x coordinate is 0. Then find y coordinate. So y plus 7 by 2 equals to 3 plus 3 6 by 2. So 2 cancel. Y equals to 6 minus 7 which is minus 1. Therefore the fourth vertex that is D of xy is x is 0, y is minus 1. So like this you need to calculate. The property used is diagonals bisect each other. So this property you can use to find the fourth vertex of the parallelogram. Last sum. Find the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment joining the points A and B. You have to find the ratio. So line segment AB is divided by a point P in certain ratio. The coordinates of point A is 1 by 2, 3 by 2 and B is 2, minus 5 and this point is 3 by 4 and 5 by 12. So what ratio the line is divided? Point P is divided. So find the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment. At which ratio the line is divided you need to find. So let the ratio be M1 is to M2. See children, whenever using the ratios M1 is to M2. See section formula P of xy equals to M1 x2 plus M2 x1 upon M1 plus M2. and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So this is the section formula. We have taken the ratios m1 and m2. Right. Now, if you take m1 and m2, then there will be more calculation to find the ratios. So, better instead of using m1, m2, in general we can take, let the ratio be k is to 1, then your calculation will be easier. So, whenever the question comes to find the ratio, you take it as k is to 1 instead of m1, m2. If you take m1, m2 also, you will get the same answer, but calculation part is more. You have to simplify this equations repeatedly. You will get a linear equation, then subtract equation one from the other to find m1, m2. After finding m1, you have to substitute that m1 value in one more equation, that is to find m2. So, avoid all these calculations. We can use this m1, m2 as k is to 1. So, let the ratio be k is to 1. Instead of m1, I will take k and m2 1. Okay. Now, using section formula, P of xy equals to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, then m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is the section formula. Now we will replace this m1 m2 as k is to 1. So P of xy. So P of xy is given as 3 by 4, 5 by 12, and m1 I have taken k, x2 is 2, then m2 is 1 and x1 is 1 by 2, divide by m1 plus m2, that is k plus 1. Then next one, m1 is k, then y2 is minus 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2, that is y1, divided by k plus 1. Now we simplify. 3 by 4, 5 by 12 equals to 2k plus 1 by 2 divided by k plus 1. This is x coordinate. Then minus 5k plus 3 by 2 divided by k plus 1. This is the y coordinate. Now to find k value, equate x coordinate with x and y coordinate with y. Now first we'll equate with x coordinate. 3 by 4 equals to 2k plus 1 by 2 divided by k plus 1. So cross multiply. 3 into k, 3k, 3 into 1, 3 equals to 4 into 2k, 8k, 4 into 1 by 2 is 2. So 3 minus 2 equals to 8k minus 3k. So 8 minus 3 is 5k. So k equals to 1 by 5. K equals to 1 by 5. If you solve this y coordinate, you will get 1 by 4. K is 1 by 4. So any one you can take and solve to get k value. So the line is divided in the ratio k by 1. It means k is to 1 is 1 is to 5. Therefore, the ratio, the required ratio is 1 is to 5. The required ratio is 1 is to 5. Instead of taking m1, m2, you can take k is to 1. You will simplify easily, or you will calculate the ratios easily. If you take m1, m2, there will be more calculation. You will get pair of linear equations. Then you have to find m1, m2 by elimination, whatever is the method to find m1 and m2. I hope you understood this, how to find the ratio using section formula and their special cases. That is, one is midpoint formula, and then when the line is trisected, the ratio is 1:2 and 2:1. And when the line is divided into 4 equal parts, then the ratio will be 1:1. We can use midpoint formula also. So, in the next session, we are discussing about the areas of triangles with the exercise sums. Thank you.